How to log in into your BitGet account. Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in your BitGet account. So let's get started. So when you open your BitGet application, this page will appear. What you need to do is tap on this left side of the screen at the top right, this box icon. And here you can see login or sign up. So since we're logging in, tap on login. You may enter your email or phone number that you have used, or you may use a sub account with your email or password. And you also have the option of entering with your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Telegram. Since I don't have an account, I will just sign up. But if you already have a log account, you just need to log in, enter your email password and your password, and you will be logged in easily. But to sign up, you just need to tap on sign up. You may enter your email or your phone number to sign up. Just enter your email and phone number. After that, create a password. After creating a password, tap on create account. And then verify that you are a human. Just tap on the thing that this application is asking you to do, so just tap on it and then you will be, and then the verification is successful. After that, you need to enter a code that you receive on your email. Okay, and then enter your code or any biometric unlock. If not, tap on later, and then there you go, you have successfully created a BitGet account. You may just log in using the email and password that you've just created very easily. So just follow the steps and you can log in your BitGet account very easily. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.